Well, I never been to Rome, I ain't been to L.A. And they gave me all that gold, it wouldn't change my way. The small towns are the best, ain't no better place to stay. 'Cause I ain't been to Rome, and I ain't been to L.A. And I'm riding to the fruit stand with my wife.
No, don't do it. It'll kill.
I'm riding to the fruit stand with my wife. I don't want to drive on some crowded avenue. No, the hills of Tennessee are good enough for me. I could live 100 lives and I wouldn't change a thing. I don't want to drive on some crowded avenue. And I'm riding to the fruit stand with my wife. I'm riding to the fruit stand with my wife. Well, the sun is on the horizon. Well, it ain't very far. 'Cause I'm a simple man in a small town, and I'm riding to the fruit stand with my wife.
Look at how cute.
I'm riding to the fruit stand with my wife.
Like color.
Those are peaches, see? Fuzzy. Nectarines. No fuzzy.
Look,
Those are plums. That's what my uncle used to grow all the time.
$12.
Oh, okay. So how do we do this here?
Well, $5, and then we put it in a bag. Oh, I want these.
Was chocolate tomatoes or heirloom tomatoes? Yeah, those ones are better.
But this chocolate. No, that's
They don't taste like chocolate. Okay, just telling you. These are better tomatoes. This is why you brought me here. So they have more of them. See? Those are good ones. Peaches.
Oh, this
Yeah.
corn. Fresh.
Fresh corn. Oh, $6 a dozen or 75 cents each.
Should we do corn?
There's a guy selling fruit at a roadside stand. I never saw an apple bigger than a hubcap. And it's all about the little things, like taking a ride with my wife. She got the long hair, that smile I love, when she gives me those big brown eyes. And I love how small towns are still the best places. You know it when you feel it, the little things. 'cause I ain't been wrong, and I ain't been to LA. And I'm riding to the fruit stand with my wife. I'm riding to the fruit stand with my wife. And I don't wanna drive on some crowded avenue. No, the hills of Tennessee are good enough for me and you.